Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I am going to share a very useful technique for implementing the card design, which may be very useful for when you are designing the card, something like that. So you can see there are three cards. So what we want to achieve and what is the problem, I will show you in this video, and what the technique I will apply for the solving that problem I will show you in this video. Okay, so I have designed three cards with just simple HTML and CSS. So just let me show my base code. You can see this is the HTML for structure for the card. So you can see there are three cards. So there is image, and in the person info there is a person name, the person designation, and there is a person description. Okay, and you can see here is the simple the CSS for this. Okay, so just this is the person name, person designation, and person description. Okay, so I have designed all of them. So what can be a problem that you can see this is the person description. So if the description, you know that the description can be larger than that. You can see if I just add some dummy text in the description section from the HTML for this, just let me copy paste some description. So okay, I have saved it, and yes, if I reload the page, okay, you can see as the description is very large for this card, so you can see the design does not look good. Here is some empty space, here is also some empty space, and you can see if the description is more larger than that, then it will like does not look so much good, and maybe the design will be also break down. So what we can do here, like we can just hide the description after a certain line, like 2 lines or 3 lines, and at the end we can just put some dots at the end if the description is larger than a specific height on the specific content, and we can just adjust, then the design will look good, and if description is less than that, then it will be okay. So okay, so how can we achieve that? Okay, for achieving that, like just let me show some. I have to just add some code at the person description. You can see this is the person description. So at the person description class I am just adding some CSS. Okay, so what we are going to do, like for the person description div, like this p tag, we have just added some max height for that, and then display WebKit blocks, and the main trick is done is like these properties. So what are these properties? This is the line clamp properties, WebKit line clamp and the line clamp properties. So we want that by using these properties, we want that if the description is so large, then we'll just show the 2 lines there, and we'll just overflow. We have just added the overflow hidden and also text overflow ellipses, so this will show 3 dots after 2 lines. So just check from this. If I reload the page, okay, you can see we have just added the line clamp property 2. You can see that's why just 2 lines are visible here, and after that there is a 3 dots appearing here, and you can see this one also, as this is the text, the description is very larger for that. And like if I just let me cut some content from here. Okay, just reload it, and you can see as the content is just 1 line, so there is not so much content here, so there is no 3 dots. This is the full stop. So you can see, and this is also okay. So you can see this is the actually what we are going to do. We have done this. So if we want to show more lines, like 3 lines or 4 lines, then what we have to do, like at this here we have to just adjust, we have to just put in the line clamp property, we have to just 3 or 4 as per our need, and also just adjust the max height for that, and then we will be the 3 or 4 lines, the required lines will be showed here, and after that if the description is more larger than that, then the 3 dots will appear. So these things can be done with JavaScript also, but if you want to do it like CSS, then I think this technique will be much more helpful. So that's why I have shared with you. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.